Hi everyone, it's great to see you. The other day I was able to show you 4 beautiful hydrangea that I unboxed from Garden Crossings. And we talked a little bit about how much I love this deeply saturated hydrangea with really rich, darker colors. But I had ordered a couple that were more pastel because when you cut those hydrangea especially, it's nice to have that contrast, the light and the dark. And it's true even growing them side by side in the garden. Well, today I'm unboxing a different hydrangea. This one was ordered from the Sooner Plant Farm, and this hydrangea is going to be green. There we go, and you can see right here in the picture, I wasn't kidding. This is a green hydrangea. When it blooms, now of course it's green now because of its leaves, but it is going to have green flower blossoms. I have one hydrangea, Froggy, that blooms kind of a green speckled with a little pink and blue. But this one really is pretty much a solid green. This is TurtleToes. Now, last year I thought I had ordered TurtleToes and I planted the hydrangea that I was sent and it bloomed. It was not green. It was the Love hydrangea. And unfortunately they had been mislabeled, and I have to say I was refunded for that. I have another beautiful Love hydrangea now, but I still wanted TurtleToes. So this is supposed to be the real TurtleToes this time, and it looks great. Look at all this. Yeah. Once it gets out in the garden, we'll take off any broken parts. This should bloom beautifully. And this year, I'll really get to show you what TurtleToes looks like. And once again, I'm keeping in mind how this is going to look. I think most of my hydrangeas are going to be big enough for cutting bouquets this year. And I want to see, I think having a green floral blossom in a bouquet is just going to make it that much more interesting. So I'm pleased about this. It's a little different because I always tend to choose pink and purple everything, but we're going with the green TurtleToes. Now, if you have this hydrangea or any other green hydrangea, would you let me know which ones you have and how they're working out for you? Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.